Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. Now, uh, in this night, we would like to discuss Aesop's fable entitled "The Dog and His Reflections." Okay, this story tells about a dog that carrying a piece of meat on his mouth while crossing a river. When he looked into the water, he saw his own reflections and thought it was another dog carrying a larger piece of meat. Because of his greed, he tried to take the other piece of meat, but when he opened his mouth, his own meat fell into the water and was lost. Although the story is very short and simple, it contains an important moral lessons about greed and contentment. Through the dog's experience, readers can learn that wanting more than what we already he can sometimes make us lose what we already possess. In our discussions, we will analyze the main character, his actions, motivations, and the lessons that can be learned from the story. Okay, now we will answer several questions related to the story. Okay, the first question is who is the main character in the story? How would you describe him?
The main character in the story is the dog. He is an ordinary dog carrying a piece of meat in his mouth while walking near a stream. The dog can be described as greedy and careless because he isn't satisfied with what he already has. Instead of appreciating his food, he wants to get more. His greed causes him to make a foolish decision that eventually leads to his loss.
Okay, the second question is what is the main problem faced by the main character?
The main problem faced by the dog is his greed. When he sees his reflection in the water, he mistakenly thinks it is another dog holding a large piece of meat because he wants that he that meat as well. He becomes focused on tapping it. His inability to recognize the reflection and control his desire creates the conflict in the story.
Okay, the third question is why do you think the main character made that decision?
Mm, the dog made that decision because he believed he could gain something better than what he already had. He thought the other dog possessed a large and more valuable piece of meat. Instead of thinking carefully about the situation, he acts impulsive. His desire for more food prevented him from realizing that the image in the water was actually his own reflection.
Okay, the fourth questions what motivates the main character's action?
The dog's actions are motivated by greed and desire. He isn't content with his own piece of meat and wants to have an even bigger one. His wish to gain more makes him act without considering the consequence. This motivation drives him to open his mouth and try to take the meat from the other dog, which result in losing his own food.
Okay, the fifth questions is do you agree with the main character's choice? Why or why not?
Uh, no, I don't agree with the dog's choice. He should have appreciated what he already had instead of trying to take something that didn't belong to him. If he had been satisfied with his own meat, he would not have lost it. His decision shows how greed can cloud judgment and lead people to make mistakes that harm themselves.
Okay, question number six is what strengths and weakness does the main character have?
Uh, One strength of the dog is that he is determined to obtain food and survive. However, his weakness are much more noticeable in the story. He is greedy, impatient, and unable to think carefully before acting. This weakness prevents him from making always decisions and ultimately cause him to lose the meat uh, he was carrying.
Okay, the questions number 7 is which actions of the main character had the biggest impact on the story?
The action that had the biggest impact on the story was when the dog opened his mouth to bark at the reflection. This single action caused the piece of meat he was carrying to fall into the water. As a result, he lost the only food he had. Without this decision, the story would have ended differently, and the dog would have kept his meal.
Okay, the questions number 8 is what lessons can be learned from the main character's experience?
Uh, the most important lesson from the story is that greed can lead to loss. People should learn to appreciate what they already have instead of constantly wanting more. The dog's experience teaches readers that making decisions based on greed often results in disappointment. Being content and thinking carefully before acting are important qualities in everyday life.
Okay, the questions number 9 is what emotions did the main character probably feel in the story? And explains your answer.
Uh, at the beginning of the story, the dog probably left happy and satisfied because he had a piece of meat. Uh, when he saw the reflection, he likely left excited and eager to get more food. After losing his after losing his meat in the water, he probably felt shocked, disappointed, and regretful. This emotion show how quickly happiness can turn into sadness when someone makes a poor decision.
Okay, the last questions is can you relate the story to real life? Give an example.
Yes, the story can be related to real life. Sometimes people already have something valuable, but they become jealous when they see others with something they think is better. For example, a student may have a good phone, but still want a newer model because their friend has one. If they become too focused on what others have, they may stop appreciating what they already own. Like the dog, they may end up feeling unhappy even though they originally had enough.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you for listening.
Maybe just all for our discussions about the dog and his reflections. And sorry for many mistakes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.